So I'm out here at the cottage ripping up the subfloor in the bathroom. I took the tiles out and I'm ripping out the floor. As you see, it goes right through. And you can see, I don't know if you can see with the sun, it's like, it's just coming apart. Pretty gnarly. Doing the bathroom renovation and might as well do the subfloor removal as I mentioned in my previous videos. I did the repair of the cistern at the bottom and I'm just going to replace the subfloor on the top. So that's exactly what we're doing.